Okay, so in today's video, I am going to do some hand pollinating of these summer squashes. Now, this is clearly a female. It has a swollen stem here, and the inside nice and swollen. This one is ready to accept pollen. I got a male flower here that's just about to open. I got another male flower here that's about to open. I got a female flower back here that's ready to be fertilized also. And I have another female flower here that's, she could be fertilized also. So, what we're gonna do here is we're gonna reach inside this male flower to this yellow part on the inside. This is the part that actually carries the pollen. We're gonna try to pick up some pollen in here. I don't know if you can see that or not. Let's see if we can find another. There's another male flower. Let's see if we can reach in there and grab some more. Oh, this is a good one. Okay, so that's the pollen. Now we're just going to take that. We're gonna rub some of that right on that female flower. Do it again. I'm going to actually open this flower up completely. Reach back here. Pollinate this one. And this one here is not quite ready to be opened up yet. So, go ahead and finish opening this. This one is basically, this one here is more or less spent. There might be a little pollen down in there. See if we can't get some more pollen off of this one. Just like that. I'm gonna reach inside this flower here. Put that pollen right inside there. Put that pollen right inside there. I think this was a male flower too. Let's see if there's anything in it. Oh yeah, there's some pollen in here. So I'll go ahead and take that off. Now, the bees around here would probably normally take care of this just fine. There's a lot of misfires going on, and I thought I'd show you guys some hand pollination. This pollen might be shot. See, it's fallen off and the color has already started to change. But we'll put it on there anyway. Can't have too much pollen. Inside there. Those should be pollinated now. So that's all there is to it. I used a Q-tip. A lot of people use a toothbrush. That works just fine too. Although I find it to be a little bit more, how do I say it? I guess you got to be a bit more careful because it's a little bit coarser, but it does kind of let you to get a little bit further in there. So you got to be kind of careful not to damage anything when you're doing this. At least, you know, not the petals is fine, but you don't want to damage into any of the inside parts here. So that's how you hand fertilize a squash plant. If you got something out of this, like, share, subscribe, and you know what? You can eat the flowers too, by the way. They're delicious. Have a great day.